Hi guys, let's unbox this Kambrook blender. So I got it from Clicks at 469 rands, currently going at 600 rands. Someone is selling it for 3.5 at Macro, so I guess I got a good deal. Comes with the manual, and that's the blender lid. The lid comes with a cap, and the cap has measurements for up to 25 milliliters and a silicone ring for things not to leak out of the blender. And the next item is the blender jug. The blender jug measures up to 1.5 milliliters. It's a glass jug, and I like that about it. Glass jugs are more durable than plastic jugs. The next item is the blender base. The base has the power cable attached to it. The power cable has a 2-pin plug, and the base also has 2 speed settings, speed 1 and speed 2, and then there's another speed that goes to the left which goes faster than both speeds. I'm not sure what that is for. The base also has stainless steel blades, and that's it. There's nothing else in the box. So I had this Kambrook blender as well, which decided to stop working. I tried everything that I could, but I couldn't fix it. And I decided trying to fix it would be worse than getting a new one. Or getting a new one would be cheaper than trying to fix it. So yeah, it's not working. So now comparing the two, the old one has a tight fit on the lid, but the new one is easy or soft on the lid. Like the lid turns quite easier, you know. For the other one, you had to clench your teeth in order to turn the lid. And then the new one is quite loose. Also, the jug fits loosely on the base. Like you can easily remove the jug from the base. With the old one, it was hard to remove the jug. And then the old one had straight blades inside. But the new one has zigzag blades. So 2 blades are straight and then 2 blades are zigzag. So you might ask yourself why I chose this brand again. Well, first of all, Kambrook looks good. I think their products are well made aesthetically, and to be honest, it works. I mean, I bought this blender 4 years ago and it did the job. I guess 4 years is a reasonable amount of time for a kitchen appliance to work. So please let me know in the comments what blender brand you swear by. I swear by Kambrook. That's why I got another one. Another difference between the two blenders is that the older one has the normal twin plug, and then this new one has a more complicated twin plug. So I had to use an adapter to connect it. So with the old one, I could easily connect to the plug on the wall, but with this one, the plug on the wall is not a good fit. So I couldn't open because the screws are in too deep. The screws, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces for screws, and the screws are in too deep, so I couldn't unscrew it with a normal screwdriver. So I'd have to buy a specific screwdriver set in order to unscrew it, which is quite the inconvenience. So there goes my new blender. Let me know what you think. I think it looks good. I'm excited to get a blender again after keeping a broken one in my kitchen. So let's test this blender. I tested a new blender with a watermelon mint smoothie, and my family absolutely loved it. I hope this blender lasts longer this time, at least longer than 4 years. So stay tuned as I'll be sharing more kitchen content. Please subscribe, like and share the video, and thank you for watching. See you next time.
Mama.